Gnosis Learning is an intelligent books company. At our core, we focus on a single, powerful idea: how to transform long, complex, and difficult to learn material into living, interactive knowledge that people can actually use. We do this through our patented in-context virtual overlay technology, which converts static PDFs, manuals, and content libraries into intelligent books powered by generative AI. Instead of replacing existing content, we enhance it. Instead of forcing organizations to rewrite material, we overlay Gen AI-enabled intelligent content on top of what already exists. So what is an intelligent book? An intelligent book is not just a document. It is a learning and productivity environment built around your content. Our intelligent virtual overlay platform adds a rich AI-powered layer that can include an embedded AI chatbot trained on the content, videos, slides, quizzes, and assessments, context-aware navigation, that is, move to context, hands-free and voice-enabled support, multilingual translation and localization, Python notebooks, code execution and data analysis, financial models, graphs, and simulations, voice conferencing, collaboration, and social integration. All of this is content-aware and domain-specific, adapting to the vertical, whether that is technology, finance, healthcare, manufacturing, or government. The result is a book that doesn't just explain, it answers, guides, and assists. We provide seamless authoring without disruption. Over the last few years, we have evolved our learning development platform to fully leverage advances in generative AI and cloud infrastructure. Our authoring tool can take collections of PDFs, existing ebook libraries, manuals, documentation, or training content, web-based knowledge repositories, and rapidly convert them into a library of intelligent books. Crucially, this happens without changing the original content, without rewriting documents, often without modifying the existing website or LMS. Our combined viewer plus authoring system enables organizations to scale learning quickly across teams, partners, and customers while protecting existing investments. In addition to the authoring tool, you can further enhance the library you've built with a large collection of books by using NotebookLM. With NotebookLM's integration, you'll discover new ways to explore, organize, and clearly explain the knowledge within your library. NotebookLM transforms raw information into clear, usable knowledge instead of just stored content. This demo explains how Google's NotebookLM allows you to upload your own learning materials and transform them into interactive outputs such as videos, audio summaries, quizzes, mind maps, flashcards, infographics, and presentation slides. NotebookLM allows you to upload multiple types of sources, including documents, notes, YouTube links, website links, audio files, images, and more. Once these sources are uploaded, you can interact with them using AI, all within the context of your own content. You can ask questions directly to NotebookLM, and it will respond based on the sources you've provided. In addition to QA, NotebookLM also offers 8 powerful features that help transform your content. These include audio, video, mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, and slide decks. Let's go through each of these features one by one. First, let's look at video generation. Here, you can see a video titled Guide to LLM Fine-Tuning.
So, how do you take a powerful AI and really make it your own? Let's get into it.
See, a huge AI model is smart, sure, but is it actually helpful?
And that's what fine-tuning does. It goes from dodging the question to giving you a straight answer.
Okay, so problem number 1 is what's called alignment, making the AI useful and safe.
NotebookLM uses Gemini APIs in the background to generate these videos, and it typically takes around 15 to 20 minutes to create one. Next, let's take a look at the slide deck. These slides are automatically created using the same source materials and provide a clear, structured overview of the topic. We also have audio summaries. For example,
Direct Preference Optimization, or DPO. It completely This is the brief on new, efficient techniques for fine-tuning large language models. You know, training these powerful models to be safe or specialized, it used to be this
Similarly, we can generate a report, which serves as a detailed summary of all the uploaded sources, NotebookLM also creates infographics and flashcards. The flashcards present questions on one side and answers on the other, making them ideal for revision. In this example, there are 49 cards generated from the content. In addition, we have quizzes to test understanding, and finally, a mind map that visually organizes key concepts and relationships. Using these features, you can generate a complete learning and research toolkit from your own information. What's even more powerful is that we can integrate this into our enterprise AI platform using our authoring tool. For example, let's say we have an existing LLM course. If we navigate to the LLM Research, Fine-Tuning and Alignment chapter, we'll notice that there are currently no slides available. We can use NotebookLM to generate a slide deck, download it, and upload it directly into our course material. Let's give it a title: Fine-Tuning, Page 1, and upload the file. The slides are added successfully. As you can see, these are high-quality slides generated automatically by NotebookLM. In the same way, we can upload videos, quizzes, and other assets to enrich the course content. So, in short, NotebookLM transforms your information into something you can actively work with, not just store. We solve enterprise problems. Enterprise IT and IT services organizations are facing a fundamental challenge today. On one side, there is a rapidly evolving AI stack: LLMs, agents, copilots, orchestration frameworks, and cloud platforms. On the other side, there is an urgent need for continuous upskilling, while also safely harnessing proprietary enterprise data. Most organizations struggle to connect these two worlds. They need a learning layer embedded inside the development stack, a way to train employees and partners while building AI systems, a path to deliver productivity through AI apps, copilots, and agentic workflows, secure deployment across intranets, extranets, and customer-facing environments. This is where Gnosis Learning fits. We offer Enterprise AI, Learning plus Agentic Development. Our Enterprise AI release combines learning development with Agentic AI application development. We support modern agent frameworks and tools, including LangChain, LangGraph, Langflow, CrewAI, Google ADK, Microsoft Azure AutoGen, OpenAI Swarm. Alongside this, we provide custom LLM building tools, NotebookLM integration, manual-based AI enhancements, foundational and advanced AI learning material. Our position is helping enterprises to learn new agentic frameworks faster, build multi-agent systems more effectively, turn documentation into working AI copilots and services. Learning is no longer separate from development, it becomes part of it. Now let's dive into various tracks of enterprise AI learning and development. We will begin with Langflow. Langflow is a visual, low-code framework for building LLM-based workflows using drag-and-drop components. It is mainly used to design, test, and deploy LLM pipelines like chatbots, RAG systems, and AI agents quickly. See how Langflow powers no-code AI workflows that turn simple inputs into automated actions, transforming raw loan requests into structured data and instant email notifications, with no manual follow-ups. In this demo, we're using an N8N dashboard to showcase a loan email agent built with Langflow. This agent takes the loan type as input. We've created multiple scenarios such as home loans, business loans, car loans, and education loans. These inputs are sent to the agent through an API webhook, which receives and processes the request. While it can be connected directly, we've automated the process using an API for better scalability. Once the webhook receives the input, it passes the data to OpenAI, where relevant entities are extracted using a prompt. These include the applicant's name, email, phone number, loan type, loan amount, and purpose. The extracted information is then forwarded to another OpenAI agent that generates an email notifying the sales manager about the new lead. To demonstrate this, I'll select a car loan and trigger the workflow. Once initiated, you can see the flow executing step by step. After the email is generated, it's automatically sent to the configured sales manager's email address. As you can see, I've received an email titled New Loan Lead Received with all the relevant details, including the applicant's name, loan type, and loan amount. This workflow can be extended further by integrating tools like Zapier or Composio, allowing the webhook to trigger directly from your email inbox or other systems. You can also call this webhook from Postman, your server, your website, or any application that needs to submit loan requests. That's how you can build and automate workflows using Langflow. Now let's learn to build a conversational AI agent that lets users query SQL databases using natural language through Langflow's visual interface. Democratize data access across your organization without requiring technical SQL expertise. Let us see how to build an intelligent SQL database agent using Langflow. Langflow is a powerful platform that lets you create AI-driven workflows capable of interacting with databases using natural language. In this setup, we're connecting three key components. First, an SQL database tool that can execute queries on any SQL Alchemy-compatible database. Second, an AI agent powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT-4o Mini. And third, a chat input node that enables user interaction. The workflow is simple and intuitive. User input is sent to the agent. The agent determines whether it needs to query the database, uses the SQL tool if required, and then returns a natural language response. Let's see this in action. When a user asks a question like, "Show me the top 10 users from the table," the chat input node captures the request and sends it to the agent. Guided by its instructions, the agent analyzes the query and decides that database access is needed. It then executes the appropriate SQL query against the MySQL database using the SQL tool. The results are processed, formatted into a human-readable response, and delivered through the chat output node. This is how users receive accurate answers without writing a single line of SQL. That's the real power here. Users can simply ask questions in plain English, just like they would in a chat. This architecture enables several powerful use cases. Non-technical teams can perform business intelligence tasks by querying sales data, customer metrics, or inventory levels. Customer support teams can instantly retrieve customer history, order details, or account information. It also opens the door to internal tools, such as custom dashboards where employees can explore company data conversationally. Now, let's talk about how we can take this further. You can enhance the agent by adding a memory component so it remembers conversation context. You can integrate multiple database connections to support cross-database queries. You can add a CSV export node to allow users to download query results, or include data visualization tools like charts and graphs. You can also implement access controls with authentication to protect sensitive data, or integrate tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. Adding new capabilities is easy, just search for the tool and drop it into the workflow. The possibilities are endless. With Langflow, you can build production-ready AI agents in minutes, not days. Next, we will look into Agentic AI. Agentic AI refers to AI systems that can reason, plan, and take autonomous actions to achieve goals. Its main use is in building intelligent agents that can make decisions, use tools, and perform multi-step tasks with minimal human intervention. This video demonstrates an enterprise AI learning platform, highlighting how to navigate an Agentic AI course, access PDFs, generate slides, watch videos, and use interactive features like quizzes, video highlights, and integrated Jupyter notebooks. Now let us walk through our Agentic AI course. From here, I can select any unit. For this demonstration, I'll choose the first unit, then navigate to Chapter 2, specifically Subchapter 1 of the lecture. On this screen, you can see the PDF content related to the selected chapter and subchapter. For example, here the content covers topics such as LangChain. On the side, we have the slides generation feature. This functionality automatically creates PPT-style presentation slides based on the selected chapter and subchapter, making it easy to convert learning material into ready-to-use presentations. Alongside this, we also have the book view, which provides structured access to the same PDF content for deeper reading and reference. Next, we have the video section. Here, the platform curates a relevant YouTube video aligned with the selected subchapter. I can play the video directly within the platform, but at the same time, the platform is automatically generating video highlights. This process takes a few moments. While the highlights are being generated, let me show you the chat with video feature. This allows me to ask questions directly about the video content. For example, I can ask anything related to what's being discussed in the video, and the system will generate a contextual response shortly. Now, as you can see, the video highlights are ready. These give you a quick summary and key insights into what the video is about, helping you grasp the core ideas efficiently. Let's move on to the video quiz feature. This feature automatically generates a quiz of around 5 to 10 questions, based on the video content for the selected subchapter. Here you can see the quiz. I'll select a few answers randomly for demonstration purposes and submit the quiz. Once submitted, the platform displays the correct answers, your selected answers, and a detailed explanation for each question. On the right-hand side, you can also see quiz analytics, including your score, correct responses, and incorrect attempts. Let's go back. Now, I'll show you another powerful feature, the voice bot. Using this, you can ask questions about the chapter or subchapter using your own voice. Next is the notebook integration feature. This allows learners to generate Jupyter notebooks directly within the platform. These notebooks enable you to apply theoretical concepts in a practical environment, install libraries, write code, and build projects based on what you've learned. Let's open the notebook. As you can see, the notebook has been created successfully. You can now use it to experiment, practice, and reinforce your understanding using hands-on exercises derived from the videos and reading materials. This way, the Enterprise AI platform seamlessly combines theory, video learning, interaction, assessment, and practical application all in one place. Now let us look into CrewAI. CrewAI is a framework for orchestrating multiple AI agents that collaborate with assigned roles and responsibilities. It is used to solve complex problems by enabling teamwork between specialized agents, such as researcher, planner, and executor. In this demo, let us learn to build production-ready multi-agent AI systems with CrewAI using an enterprise-grade, hands-on training platform. Now, let's explore the Enterprise AI Learning Platform. The course we're currently viewing is Agentic AI. Within this course, learners can navigate through different Agentic AI frameworks. For this walkthrough, we'll open Chapter 3, CrewAI. Here, the CrewAI PDF chapter is loaded on the platform. This document explains CrewAI as a structured approach to building collaborative AI agents. Learners can go through this content at their own pace, with clear explanations and practical examples. In addition, the platform allows learners to automatically generate presentation slides from the learning material. These slides summarize key topics and are useful for quick revision or traditional classroom-style learning. There is also a dedicated video section, where learners are provided with topic-specific videos related to CrewAI.
Hey there, this is Akshanandan and welcome back to a new video. From this video, I'm kickstarting a complete course on CrewAI. So what is a
For example, this video introduces a complete course on CrewAI and explains how CrewAI enables multiple agents to work together effectively. Once the video is completed, the platform automatically generates video highlights. These highlights summarize the most important concepts discussed in the video. Learners can also chat with the video. They can ask questions and clarify doubts without needing to re-watch the entire video. Additionally, the platform provides a video quiz feature. This quiz generates 8 to 10 multiple-choice questions based entirely on the video content and provides detailed performance analytics at the end. In addition to video quizzes, the platform also offers PDF-based quizzes. These quizzes generate questions directly from the CrewAI PDF content, testing learners' conceptual understanding of agents, workflows, and architectures. With instant feedback and explanations, the platform also includes a voicebot feature, allowing learners to ask questions using their voice and receive instant, context-aware responses based on the course content. Once learners understand the theory, they can move to the notebook section. Here, they can create Jupyter notebooks for hands-on practice. The notebook environment allows learners to define agents, assign tasks, and execute multi-agent workflows using real or mock tools, effectively bridging the gap between learning and practical implementation. Finally, let's talk about the real-world impact of CrewAI in modern enterprise environments. Enterprise AI systems are rarely standalone. they are built as collaborative, governed, and scalable systems, aligned with organizational workflows and security requirements. CrewAI supports this by enabling modular agent design, clear task ownership, improved observability, and scalability. This is where Gnosis Learning adds value, by combining an enterprise-grade AI platform with hands-on learning, enabling teams to move from experimentation to production-ready AI systems. Employees not only learn the concepts but also practice real implementations, making organizations future-ready for multi-agent AI systems. This concludes the walkthrough of how the platform supports learning and practicing CrewAI, from PDFs and videos to quizzes, voice interaction, and hands-on notebooks. Now let us look into MCP, Model Context Protocol. MCP is a standard protocol that allows LLMs to securely connect with external tools, data sources, and services. Its main use is to enable real-time context sharing and tool access without hard-coding integrations into the model. In this demo, we will see Enterprise AI Learning Platform for building scalable LLM applications using Model Context Protocol, MCP, with hands-on training and secure integration and production-ready workflows. The course we're currently viewing is MCP, Architecture, Implementation, and Applications. For this demonstration, I'll navigate to Chapter 3, What is MCP, and then open the subchapter What is a Protocol. Here, you can see the protocol chapter PDF loaded on the platform. The content is clearly structured, helping learners understand both the conceptual foundations and the architectural aspects of MCP. Alongside the PDF, the platform provides an automatic slide generation feature that converts the learning material into presentation-ready slides. This is ideal for quick revision, presentations, or instructor-led training sessions. Next, let's move to the video section. Here, learners are provided with topic-specific videos related to MCP.
Today, we're diving into the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, cloud and external data sources or tools. It's addressing a fundamental limitation that has held back AI assistants from reaching their potential. Before MCP, connect.
Once the video finishes, the platform automatically generates video highlights, summarizing the most important concepts. Learners can also use the chat with video feature to ask questions and clarify doubts without re-watching the entire video. In addition, the platform provides a video quiz that generates multiple choice questions based entirely on the video content, along with detailed performance analytics. Beyond video quizzes, there is also a PDF-based quiz. This quiz is generated directly from the PDF content and tests learners' understanding of protocol definitions, MCP architecture, and communication flows. Next, let's explore the voice interaction feature, also known as the VoiceBot. Learners can simply click the button, ask a question using their voice, and receive an immediate, context-aware response. This makes the learning experience more interactive and accessible. Once learners understand the theory, they can move to the notebook section. Here, they can create a notebook, such as an MCP protocol demo, with just a few clicks. The generated notebook allows learners to simulate protocol-based interactions, understand request-to-response structures, and experiment with MCP-style tool communication. This effectively bridges the gap between theoretical understanding and practical implementation. Finally, let's look at the real-world relevance of MCP. In enterprise environments, AI systems must interact with multiple tools, services, and data sources in a secure and standardized manner. MCP enables this by providing a unified communication standard, significantly reducing integration complexity. This is where the Enterprise AI Learning Platform adds value, helping teams not only learn MCP concepts, but also practice them in realistic, production-like environments. This concludes our walkthrough of how the platform supports learning the Model Context Protocol. With a focus on architecture, implementation, and applications, including a deep dive into what MCP is and how protocols work. Next, we will look into LLM building. LLM building involves designing, training, fine-tuning, and deploying large language models on custom data. It is mainly used to create domain-specific AI models optimized for tasks like chat, summarization, and code generation. In this demo, let us see an enterprise LLM training platform that helps teams design, train, and scale large language models using tools like DeepSpeed. Through structured learning and hands-on practice, learners gain practical skills in distributed training, model optimization, and production-ready AI workflows. The course we are currently viewing is LLM Engineering, Development and Tools. Here, you can see the different units available within the course. For this walkthrough, we'll select the second unit, Machine Learning. Next, we'll open Chapter 2, Distributed Training Specialist, and within this chapter, we'll focus on the topic DeepSpeed. Here, you can view the DeepSpeed PDF content directly on the platform. Learners can go through the material at their own pace and understand how DeepSpeed is used for distributed training of large-scale models. From this content, learners can also automatically generate presentation slides. The next feature is the video section. Here, learners are taken to topic-specific videos related to DeepSpeed. Let's play one of these videos.
Okay, so hi everyone. So this is going to be the repeat stream of my DeepSpeed tutorial, which is a distributed systems library.
Once the video is completed, the platform automatically generates video highlights. These highlights capture the most important points discussed in the video, allowing learners to quickly review key concepts. After reviewing the highlights, learners can also chat with the video. They can ask questions such as, "What is this video about?" And the platform provides a contextual answer explaining that the video covers DeepSpeed as a library for distributed training of large machine learning models. After clearing doubts through chat, learners can proceed to the video quiz. This quiz is generated entirely from the video content and typically includes 8 to 10 multiple-choice questions. Once the quiz is submitted, learners can see the correct answers, their selected answers, and detailed explanations. On the right-hand side, the platform also displays quiz analytics, including the number of questions attempted, correct and incorrect responses, and the overall score. In addition to video quizzes, the platform also provides a PDF-based quiz. This quiz generates questions directly from the PDF content, testing learners' conceptual understanding of DeepSpeed, distributed training, and related topics. Similar to the video quiz, learners receive instant feedback, explanations, and performance analytics for the PDF quiz as well. Next, we have the VoiceBot feature. This allows learners to ask questions using their voice. For example, a learner might ask, "How is the DeepSpeed API used with PyTorch?"
DeepSpeed can be integrated with PyTorch models to enhance their performance and scalability with minimal code changes. Here's a general overview of how you can use the DeepSpeed API with PyTorch. 1. Installation. First,
The platform responds with a detailed explanation, describing how DeepSpeed integrates with PyTorch to improve performance and scalability with minimal code changes. Once learners have gone through the theory and cleared their doubts, they can move to the notebook section for hands-on practice. Here, learners can create a Jupyter notebook, for example, a DeepSpeed notebook. This environment allows them to experiment with code, explore distributed training workflows, and apply what they've learned in practice. Existing notebooks can also be reused or modified. Now, let's talk about the real-world value and enterprise impact of LLM building, and how Gnosis Learning adds value. In modern enterprise environments, LLMs are rarely used as standalone tools. Instead, they are custom-built, governed, and scaled to align with organizational data workflows, compliance requirements, and security standards. Enterprise LLM development focuses on creating structured and reusable foundations on top of base models, enabling organizations to safely apply AI across multiple business functions. This typically involves selecting the right foundation model based on performance, cost, and deployment requirements, grounding models with enterprise knowledge such as internal documents, policies, and product information, and adding control mechanisms like prompt templates, access boundaries, and governance layers. This is where Gnosis Learning plays a critical role. We provide an enterprise-grade AI platform that brings together LLM building, agent architectures, and governance into a single ecosystem. At the same time, we help organizations upskill their teams on these technologies, ensuring not just successful adoption, but long-term self-sufficiency and innovation. By combining platform capabilities with hands-on learning, we help enterprises move from experimentation to scalable, production-ready AI systems. Employees don't just learn the concepts, they practice real implementations using code, guided explanations, and real-world examples. This concludes the walkthrough of how the platform supports LLM engineering and distributed training, from PDFs and videos to quizzes, voice interaction, notebooks, and real-world enterprise use cases, including examples such as Megatron LM. Let's discuss market size projections, 2026 to 2031. Multiple research estimates project extremely strong growth for agentic enterprise AI markets, though figures vary depending on definitions and methodology. Enterprise agentic AI market, according to Globe Newswire. A Markets forecast estimates the enterprise agentic AI market will grow to about $40 billion by 2030 at 47% CAGR. KBV research report suggests the market could reach $46.3 billion by 2032, a similar growth profile. Value proposition for enterprises, end users, are enhanced operational efficiency, better decision support responsiveness, competitive differentiator. Value proposition for IT services integrators are new revenue streams, ongoing recurring revenue, differentiation in a crowded market, upskilling internal benefits. Let's look at the 2026 to 2031 outlook for enterprise AI agents. Market growth. By 2030 to 2031, the enterprise AI agentic market is expected to grow from low single-digit billions today to $30 to $50 billion or more, even using conservative estimates. This growth is driven by automation of workflows, decision systems, and rising enterprise AI spend. IT services opportunity. This creates a major opportunity for IT services, especially in AI design, implementation, governance, and managed services, unlocking new recurring revenue and differentiation. Enterprise adoption. AI agents are converging with copilots and automation platforms, becoming central to enterprise digital strategy. The payoff: operational efficiency, faster execution, and competitive advantage. From 2026 to 2031, AI agents shift from experimentation to enterprise infrastructure. Vertical-specific intelligence at scale. Once the core platform is deployed, we extend it with vertical-specific intelligence. Examples include auto-generation of Python notebooks for data science and analytics, agentic workflow design using Langflow, CrewAI, or Google ADK, financial modeling and risk analysis for banking, insurance, and investments. Process automation for manufacturing and logistics, knowledge assistance for healthcare, medical services, and hospitals. Compliance, policy, and document intelligence for government and legal domains. These enhancements can occur at the intelligent book library level, within notebooks, through agentic workflows and copilots. The platform is designed to scale across multiple industries without losing domain depth. Who we serve. Our customers include enterprise IT organizations, IT services and consulting firms, technology companies, healthcare systems and hospitals, financial institutions, governments, and public sector bodies. They use Gnosis Learning to upskill employees faster, reduce time to productivity, deliver AI-enabled learning to partners and customers, turn static knowledge into active enterprise intelligence. Want to partner with Gnosis Learning? We actively work with customers, technology partners, resellers, and system integrators. We can custom extend the platform to introduce new features tailored to your learning and productivity needs, as well as those of your employees, partners, or customers. Gnosis Learning is about making AI practical, not just for experimentation, but for real enterprise productivity. By transforming PDFs and ebooks into intelligent books, and by embedding learning directly into agentic AI development, we help organizations move faster, learn better, and build smarter. For more details, please contact srini@nanamarga.in or reach out through our website. We look forward to working with you to deliver AI-powered productivity through intelligent knowledge. Across enterprises, hospitals, governments, and IT organizations.